bumper's probably gonna get fucking blown apart the first time. Been a while, but small update. 265s.
Just keep going.
But he's like, yeah, no, dude, run 265s, because if you run 265s, you get the same grip out of a 235, but it's you burn less tire.
And then I'm just gonna do a clip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I've jumped rope from forever. I bought like 30.
Damn, you throwing away all these wires, bro? I'm gonna scrap the copper, bro. This is good. That's good stuff, man. Thomas would have a fucking heart attack right now, dude. Just put him over here. Just leave him there. You might need him. That one time you need something.
Are you recording this now?
Yeah.
Please don't shit me.
So where are you gonna put that?
That'll probably go. Right to there. That should be it.
Nice.
And I just need alternator, starter wire.
Yeah, it's a sweet kill switch.
Could have put another one on the outside, but I'm not stressing it.
Eventually.
Yeah.
Definitely keep your 40, bro. You're gonna like. Oh, three of these ZDs gonna be fire. Everyone's like, nah, man. You need it, dude.
I don't know. I really want to get the.
You don't need them, dude.
I don't. But Battle Arrow makes the overs.
I like to front it like this, dude.
I know, I'm
just the
going-
fronts. I mean, unless
So it is gonna space it out like another. Once I run the GK Tech,
5 mil.
Yeah, it's gonna push it out 5 mil.
don't know. Worst case scenario,
Yeah,
the whole quarter will look good, dude.
That's what I want. I don't want the Rocket Bunny ones at all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
The jack was fucked up. It's good now.
We don't have
It's all good.
We're gonna do the unicorn carbon fiber.
That's all I wanted to know. The rest of the paint goes out too, and it ties into the holly.